to build a fort. I am a robot. I am a robot. I am a robot. I am.
What we got here?
A robot.
Discovery Mind Blown Solar Robot Creation Kit.
Thank you guys for the video.
We in the video.
Oh yeah.
Alright, so let's talk about this. Hey.
So we have a turtle on it.
It got a turtle on it. It do have a turtle on it.
Maybe we need to buy a turtle and put it on it.
Why we need to buy a turtle and put it on it so we can carry it around?
Yes, so he can show it. So he can say, I have a turtle. I have a turtle.
Alright, YouTube. So, STEM project. Solar robot.
So
You can make 12 different types of
it has
robots.
a face too.
Has a face too?
Yeah, and a back guy, and it has wheels.
And it has wheels?
Yeah, it has wheels in it. I'm shaking.
Look, no batteries needed. All solar. It's a nice day outside. The sun is out. So we're going to figure out which one we're going to make. We're going to go outside and play with it. Walmart, they had them on sale for about $5 to $7, depending on which ones you picked up. We picked up a few just to keep ourselves busy in this quarantine time. So, hey, let's get it together. Hold on. Let's open the box and see what's inside. You can't open it, right? Why? Because its age is 8 and up. You have parental supervision. All right, let's see what's inside of here.
Yeah. We have pieces.
We got a lot of pieces.
Oh, I found it.
Oh,
So
we got some trivia. Got a poster.
Daddy,
Yes.
it said we need to put it together.
Hold on, let's just take, I don't know which one this is yet, but look at all of these instructions. Now I know why they said 8 years old. We got some wiring to do. We got some other stuff, so seems like it's going to be a while. Hey, we're going to time lapse us putting this together so you can actually see the fun stuff of us playing outside.
I have 2 faces.
There's 2 faces?
Yeah, 5 faces. So I will show YouTube. Yeah, 2.
You know what, YouTube? I was going to time-lapse the installation assembly of this robot, but it looks like it's going to take us a lot longer than usual. So you know what? We'll be back shortly. No, we got wheels.
Where? This is the wheels? These are the wheels?
I think so.
I want to do green. It adds water cannon. I can play it without the fire.
YouTube. All right. I had the robot almost done, and Hamden came in here and got excited. I'll show you the video in a second, but now look at it. It's the solar panel. There's the body. That's 3 hours worth of work. They said it's an 8-year-old project. I'm burnt out right now.
Hey YouTube.
What are you doing?
It's gonna be a big monster truck.
Let YouTube know they won't be able to see a robot now because you're breaking it.
I'm making a total over. I make a total.
No. Got the body here. And he's now broken the solar panel.
The face.
In the face.
Thanks for watching Khaled and Hammy. Smash that subscribe button or your parents can do it for you. Thanks. Bye.